Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Look at this box. Fragile, handle with care. Written right there, all over the box. Look at this. Somebody did a great job of taking care and being cautious because there was glass in there. I mean, even written all over the box. Love it. Don't you love the handling of packages sometimes? Thank goodness everything on the inside was okay and wasn't damaged. So I won a giveaway on Instagram, and Candy-Koated so graciously signed up to provide for the giveaway, and these are the items that I received from them. This is a wax pencil, which is awesome because my little tool is almost needing to be replaced, so now I have this pencil. And then I have this cuticle oil. I mean, look at how awesome and pretty that is with all the flowers in there. And it says it smells like strawberries. So of course I had to smell it, and it really did smell good. So I can hardly wait to use that because that bottle is beautiful. I have that one sitting out just so I can see all the bright colors and everything. And she took awesome care to wrap everything individually in bubble wrap so that nothing would get damaged. Smart lady, guys. That was some latex tape, so that we can put that around cuticles or anything and protect the skin, which is great because you can't have too much of that. And then I got some awesome acrylics. So what we're going to do is just kind of look at the jars, and this is clear to see. And I'm going to swatch them at the end, so I'm just going to go through everything in the box first, and then we'll do a quick swatch of all the acrylics so you can see everything that I got. I love the packaging on this. It's so cute and like homey and feels all warm and cozy. I love it. It's great. Thank you, Candy-Koated. Like, this is great. I'm so super happy with all of this stuff. I mean, so far, just look at the colors through the glass containers. I mean, you can tell they're going to be vibrant and pretty. These are great. Yeah, there's a whole line of these Egyptians, which I was like, wait, did I see the same thing? But no, I have Egyptian fire, Egyptian ice, and Egyptian gold, and they are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful glitter acrylics. So see, there's the gold. This is a whole little collection, and it's great. Like, it's perfect for, you know, fall colors. I think it's great. Peekaboo. I love that. That name is so cute. Look at this little packaging, the little bag. It's adorable. We got some glitters. So this is like a copper, beautiful shimmery glitter. And we have some big pieces in here. I see a witch, pumpkin, spider, butterfly, a leaf, a little crown. There's a big mix in there, and that's pretty awesome because those are definitely fall colors also. And then we have some fall leaves, and I love the copper colors, so beautiful. And then look at this cool orange, like shredded tinsel glitter. Don't mind the dog, she's loud if you can hear her. Okay, we have another package, and ooh, decals and stuff. Aw, thank you so much. This card is so cute. I love it. Look at this awesome sticker. Oh, I love that. Look at that. Awesome affirmations. I love that. Pretty flowers. Ooh, look at this. Some cute stuff there. Oh, these are cool. There we go. To match the other set there. Some bows. I like those bows. Those are cute Christmas bows. Oh, pretty flowers. Like that. Blue flowers. Oh, and purple. Love those colors. Money. Who doesn't want money? Gucci baby. Nice. Some more Gucci. Love it. I don't have any of that. Ooh. Ooh, Barbie. Ooh. I love that paper. That's beautiful. Oh, these are awesome. I think these are my favorite. The neons. Love it. Yes, Playboy bunnies. Everyone has to have some of those. Little cherubs. Oh, that's cute. Powerpuff. I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh, ooh. Yes, that was beautiful. So there's all the decals. Okay, so we're going to do some swatching. And please Don't judge my acrylic swatching. I literally know zero about acrylic. Like, this is absolutely the worst, and I know it. I am well aware that this is like the worst swatching ever. So I am currently doing my acrylic research and I am learning. So if you want to provide me some more tips, I am open for all of it. Like, feed me some knowledge on acrylics, people. I need it because I now have some of these awesome acrylic colors provided by Candy-Koated. So amazing and awesome. Thank you so much, girl. These are beautiful. So I now need to know how to use them properly. So please, guys, give me all of your knowledge on acrylics. I am down, I'm ready, I'm waiting. Like, look at this. This is Azul Nights. Excuse me. Just peachy was the color before, and that was a gorgeous color as well. And this, look at this beautiful, beautiful glitter. Again, don't look at how I do the swatching and the gathering of the acrylic. It's just is what it is at this point. This is Peekaboo. It's so pretty. I love it. And for some reason I didn't show that name, but I believe it's Twilight something. Twilight Blue, I think. But this is, oh, there it is, Twilight Blue. Huh? That is beautiful. It has shimmer in it. It's gorgeous. Okay, here we're into the Egyptians, which is the Egyptian ice. I love black, so the black with glitters, I am all about it. And like dark gunmetal grays, oh yes, please. If you like, give me all of those. Like, look at how pretty this is with the blues in there. Oh my Lanta, definitely using that this winter because that is gorgeous. And I believe this is the Fire, which I actually thought was gonna have more red, but it has more pink in it, which is not bad because, I mean, black and pink, definitely pretty. But when I thought Fire, I thought it was gonna be like black and orange and red. But hey, this is great too. Like, look at that. So you can't be disappointed. Egyptian gold. And I mean, clearly we know it's gonna be gold in there. These are so pretty. These are so pretty. Like, look at that. Money, baby. That's what that is. That's money on your nails. That is so beautiful. These acrylics are so beautiful. Candy-Koated. Thank you so much. These are amazing acrylics. I am so thankful that you decided to provide for this giveaway. And this clear to see I thought was clear, but it glows. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Glowing is fantastic and my favorite. Thank you, thank you. Y'all go check her out on her website and order some of these acrylics. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching, guys.